First, remove the insole. Measure approximately 3 fingers width with your hand, and insert the needle at that position, roughly in the middle between the two lines. Position the yarn, and use the hook to pull out a loop. Yarn over to make a chain stitch. Insert the hook into the next stitch, ensuring the yarn tail is on the hook as you insert it. Yarn over and pull out a loop, leaving 2 loops on the hook. Keep the loops at the same level, then yarn over again and pull out a loop to complete a single crochet. Pull the loop over and insert the hook into the next stitch. Repeat the same steps to make a single crochet in each stitch. Simply continue working single crochet stitches around the sole to complete the foundation. Here, finish the last single crochet. Then, insert the hook into the first stitch and work a slip stitch to join and complete the base. Insert the insole back into the sole. Extend the loop of the slip stitch, thread the sole through the loop, and then pull the yarn tight to secure it into a knot. For adult sizes, we typically mark 8 stitches for the first row of crocheting the upper part. Make sure the 8 marked stitches are symmetrical on both sides. If they are not, adjust their positions accordingly. Insert the hook into the first marked stitch and remove the stitch marker. Pull the yarn through to create a loop. Adjust the size of the loop, reinsert the hook, yarn over again, and pull through to complete a chain stitch. Position the yarn in front of the hook, insert the hook into the next stitch, and yarn over. With 3 loops on the hook, yarn over again and pull through all loops to complete a half double crochet. Repeat the steps to create an increase in the same stitch, meaning work to half double crochets into the same stitch. When you complete a half double crochet increase in every stitch, you will create a diamond pattern. Continue working a half double crochet increase into every stitch until you reach the last stitch of this row. To ensure each diamond pattern looks consistent, pull the loop slightly and keep all 3 loops on the hook at the same level each time. Here, we have finished 7 stitches and created 6 diamond patterns. Now, work a slip stitch into the last stitch to complete this row. Use your hand to adjust the stitches to ensure they maintain a good shape. Then, reduce the size of the loop in the last stitch and mark it with a stitch marker. We will be using 2 colors to crochet the upper part of the shoe, so for the second row, we will add the pink yarn. Place the yarn tail on the first row and hold it together with the first row using your left hand. Insert the hook into the next stitch and pull out a loop to work a chain stitch, starting the second row of crocheting. The method for crocheting each row is the same. Start with a chain stitch, then work a half double crochet increase into every stitch. After that, work a slip stitch into the last stitch to finish the row and turn to start the next row. Pay attention to hide the yarn tail by placing it over the hook when you insert the hook into the stitch. Remember to join the remaining marked loop here before finishing the last half double crochet. This will leave you with 4 loops on the hook. Then, yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. Then work a slip stitch to end this row. We will alternate between 2 colors of yarn, crocheting one row with green yarn and the next with red yarn. Then, pull the green yarn through to start crocheting. Note that we need to lay the green yarn across the stitches of the previous row. This yarn will serve as a control line, and its tension will determine the width of the shoe upper. Ensure the control line is neither too loose nor too tight. Adjust it carefully for the best result. Follow the same steps to complete this row. Start with a chain stitch, then work half double crochet increases, and finish with a slip stitch.